Hey there. Okay, I'm here to help you today to be able to use this instant puffiness reducer from Mary Kay. And this is how you do it. You wash your face completely. We all have this little bag of puffiness under our eyes, usually in the morning. So you just take a tiny little amount, and this much is plenty. I've already done one eye, and now I'm going to do the other so you can see. So I'm just tapping it on that area in the eye that is the puffy part, just on that area. And you don't need much, just that tiny bit. Okay, there it is. Now, you just keep your face motionless, so you don't want to make a lot of facial expressions. You just keep it so that way it can sit. And what it's going to do is it's going to get solid, not solid in a bad way, it just adheres, and that will keep the puffiness out of the eye area. And then you wait about 3 minutes. So I just do this, go get dressed, whatever. Then it's ready to go. And it's completely set and in place after 15 minutes. And it says it lasts like 6 hours. Mine always lasts me all day long, so I look younger and cuter. Hope that helps.